Pepe might lose 10.5% by March 12 based on data from CoinCodex. First, let's take a moment to see what the chart is showing us now. At this moment, Pepe is down by 2.7% and is floating near 050's $331. Let's get into what analysts expect today. CoinCodex projects the asset will settle at 050's $296 by tomorrow, marking a possible loss of 10.5%. Traders Union anticipates Pepe may drop towards 050's $324, an estimated loss of 1.9%. 30 rates points out it could move up to 050's $332, about 0.5% more than now. A separate projection by Digital Coin Price highlights Pepe could reach 050's $356, an increase of approximately 7.6%. To conclude, Gov Capital Collector projects 050's $369 by March 12. That's 11.7% above where the price is now. This stands as the most lucrative forecast. We've covered the analysts. Let's see what's beyond. Summing up the forecasts from all analysts, here's what we've got. Based on current forecasts, we might see changes from a decline of 10.5% to a gain of 11.7%. Therefore, Gov Capital Collector stands out with the highest projected return with 11.7% gain in value by tomorrow. Based on these forecasts, you might make between $5 and $117 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probability, 30rex ranks highest with a 97% chance of success. Out of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined one unified consensus scenario. According to consensus analysis, Pepe might rise by 1.5%, nearing 050's $335. Okay, let's open up the details. The consensus scenario highlights a 1.5% gain under today's conditions. Said simply, your capital could also climb by 1.5% along with the same change. On each 1,000 of capital, this projection might reflect about $15 in growth. Consensus figures indicate that the chance of this forecast being realized is about 95.1%. Let's highlight what analysts predict for the market in the next 3 days. CoinCodex points to a bearish path. Additionally, Traders Union notes bearish momentum building up. An advancing course is described by 30 rates. Pepe may advance. Digital Coin Price also notes. Likewise, Gov Capital Collector suggests Pepe could extend its climb. The consensus stance presents Pepe with an upward-leaning trajectory over this short-term horizon. Overall, 60% of forecasts highlight a higher path for Pepe. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Let's check which ones match the move. In the end, the daily session finished at 050's $33. With this move, only 2 out of 5 were on the right side. If we go by precision, CoinPrice forecast had the best forecast. Let's go through the outcome piece by piece. With the market moving this way, only one forecast was within the range. As far as ROI is concerned, several analysts stayed in profit, but Gov Capital Collector took the lead. And here's the verification table. Every result checked and lined up for you. Looking at the verified numbers, Digital Coin Price showed minus 0.3% ROI and 0.60's $115,643 accuracy. Look through the table and notice which forecast turned out most accurate. Now let's take a look at tomorrow's expected returns across several coins to see where Pepe stands. Pepe is positioned at second place, with Solana leading overall at 2.1%. We're focusing here on 5 coins, and the full ranking of many cryptocurrencies by forecasted profitability will also be open soon on my website and Telegram. If you came here for Peep, I hope it helped. Drop a like if it did. See you in the next forecast.